I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Researchers in Canada are challenging the conventional understanding of shadows, potentially laying the groundwork for new ways to use and control light. A team led by the University of Ottawa has discovered a counterintuitive optical effect, in which a laser beam can act as an opaque object in certain conditions and actually cast a shadow. In their work, the team directed a high-power green laser through a ruby crystal cube, while at the same time lighting it from the side with a blue laser. When the green laser entered the ruby, the material response changed and turned the green laser to blue. The green laser essentially acted as an object, blocking the blue light, while the blue laser illuminated the material. This interaction then created the shadow. The researchers say their demonstration of this effect could help them better understand light-matter interactions. They're now expanding their research to include other materials as well as other laser wavelengths. Coherent is slated for a manufacturing boost in the form of funding from the U.S. Department of Commerce. The Pennsylvania-based laser and optoelectronic product and component manufacturer will receive $33 million from the CHIPS and Science Act, a U.S. government initiative meant to boost semiconductor research and manufacturing, to scale production of indium phosphide optoelectronic devices at the company's wafer fabrication facility in Texas. More specifically, the funding will pay for advanced wafer fabrication equipment that will allow Coherent to produce indium phosphide devices at a much larger scale. Such devices, which include 1550 nanometer laser emitters, are commonly used in consumer electronics, healthcare and automotive applications, and increasingly in AI infrastructure. Coherent representatives say this funding initiative advances supply chain resiliency and technological leadership in the U.S. and will create 70 new jobs at the company. In a move to expand global operations, Edmund Optics, a New Jersey-based optical component supplier, is joining forces with Sill Optics, a precision optical component manufacturer in Germany. The partnership will boost the marketplace presence for both companies in the Americas and the Middle East in particular by offering immediate access to high-performance laser optics without extended lead times. According to Edmund Optics representatives, this includes off-the-shelf cutting-edge assemblies like f-theta lenses and beam expanders for common laser wavelengths and magnifications, as well as trapped ion lenses designed for quantum applications. The collaboration will also facilitate customized projects. Elsewhere in the business realm, Optimax in upstate New York, another precision optics manufacturer, has announced its leadership succession plan, naming Joseph Spillman the company's new CEO and Pete Kopinski its new president. These appointments will replace current CEO Rick Plimpton and current president and founder Mike Mandina, who are both set to retire. Spillman, the former director of sales and marketing at Optimax, will focus on market strategy in the new role, while Kopinski, the company's former COO and director of engineering, will take the lead on operations. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.